Today's video ang latest cheka sa Miss Universe 2023. So, for sure na napanood nyo yung video na which is si Miss O and Michelle, they are talking each other in Tagalog language. And now,
Photo.
Bukas oh, Miami, LA.
Miss O, siya ang bagong the new...
Ano? No!
No, secret pa.
Uy, what happened? Good news yun, abangan ninyo.
Ito photo.
Tell me later. Ha? Ako,
Okay.
guy was taking the video. Maybe si Mama J ata insists that Michelle D, maybe she is the new or what, kasi nag-sign language si Michelle at binulong kay Miss O, and then Miss O shock, diba, oh no. So yung reaction na yun, ano kaya yun? Napaka-showbiz naman. So abangan natin yung news ni Michelle, kung ano ba yung pasabog niya. Siya ba yung bagong owner, president? Ano pa ba? Siya ba yung national director o bagong national director? At paano naman si Shamsi Sop? Maybe kasi 'di ba napansin natin si Shamsi hindi siya present doon sa El Salvador during the whole activities of Miss Universe 2023. So wala po siya doon. So questionable po 'yun. So maybe dahil may anak na din si Shamsi, so may mga priorities siya sa buhay, 'di ba?